स्वागत किया है मेरी ट्यूशन से और बात करेंगे आज आप लोगों के साथ गिल्टी इंडिया के बारे में। और गिल्टी इंडिया का जो Q3 रिजल्ट इस बारे में आप लोगों के साथ डिस्कस करेंगे। ये है गिल्टी इंडिया Q3 रिजल्ट। स्ट्रॉन्ग ऑपरेटिंग परफॉर्मेंस, healthy dividend declared, and Gillette India grooming business continue to drive the performance with revenue of 647.1 crore, while the oral crore segment contribute 142.9 crore. Segment of profitability remains strong, supported by sustained demand and brand investment. Gillette India Ltd reported a strong set of number of the December quarter with net profit rising 37% year-on-year to 172.4 crore, compared with 126 crore in the same period last year, aided by healthy volume growth and the operating leverage. Revenue from operation increased by 15.2% from last year to 790 crore in the December quarter, up from 685 crore a year ago. Operating performance improved significantly, with earning before interest, tax, depreciation and amortisation EBITDA increasing by 36% to 248.2 crore, compared with 182.4 crore in the year ago quarter. And as a result, EBITDA margin expanded to 31.4% from 26.6% last year, reflecting the improved cost efficiency and a favorable product mix. For the 9 months ended December 31, 2025, the company reported a net profit of 461.8 crore, compared with 374.9 crore in the year ago period, while revenue rose to 2,300.5 crore from 2,112.7 crore last year. Also, did the Canara Bank Q3 रिजल्ट के बारे में हम लोगों से डिस्कस कर दिया और fall 5% after crore income missed and estimated margin under pressure. Segment was the growing the business